Hi guys, I've noticed that people learning French as a second language have a hard time pronouncing properly the French sound. So in this video, I've put together the most commonly used French sound to help people starting to learn French getting better. So today we are going to be talking about the French sound. We start by the sound E. I've tried to attach or link every sound to a sound in English that people are used to. So the sound E is once in the English word bet. Some examples are the word chaise in French, which is chair. So in this case, AI is pronounced E. Another example is the word père, which is father. And in this case, E with a grave accent is pronounced E. And the last example is the word être, which is beech, tree. And in this case, E with a circumflex accent is pronounced E. You also notice that when pronouncing chaise, père, être, we pronounce them as if the E at the end of the word is not there. Next sound will be the sound E. The English word very close to the sound is like saying he or shit or bullshit. The first word we're going to talk about is the word jouet or jouet, which is toy. In this case, ET is pronounced E. The second word is été, which is summer. And in this case, E with an acute accent is pronounced E. The last word will be boulanger, which is a baker. And in this case, ER is pronounced E. Next, we talk about the sound en. It is pronounced like en in the word quandam. The first example will be chant. In this case, AN is pronounced en, which means a song. Second word is 30, which is 30. In this case, EN is pronounced en. Third word is ampoule, which is like a light bulb. In this case, AM is pronounced en. Another word is empire, which is empire. And in this case, EM is pronounced en. Another word is pain, which is peacock. And in this case, AON is pronounced en. Next sound will be un. It's pronounced like the word can, like saying can of beer. An example is the word fin, which is the end. In this case, IN is pronounced un. The second example is the word ceinture, which is belt. In this case, EIN is pronounced un. Another example is pain, which is bread. In this case, A-I-N is pronounced un. The last example is imprimer, which is to print. And in this case, I-M is pronounced un. The next sound is the sound on, which is like how we pronounce cons in po and cons. First example is ombre, which is shade. In this case, OM is pronounced on. And tronc, which is trunk. In this case, ON is pronounced on. And you'll also notice that the last C, the C at the end of the word tronc, is not pronounced. The next sound is the sound A. It's pronounced like UN in the word defunct. An example is un, which is one. In this case, UN is pronounced un. Another example is parfum, which is perfume. In this case, UM is pronounced un. The next sound is wa. It's very close to how you pronounce koala in English, but it's deeper. An example is the word poisson. In this case, OI is pronounced wa. And poisson means fish. Another example is wa, which means goose.